Now, the last table that we have here is this one from Queensell. So with this table in particular, as you can see, it functions more of like a game table. So it actually has a carrying mat that you see here. So this entire table fits into that carrying mat. And it also has like a play mat here. So you can use this for card games, mahjong, whichever you please, but it is double-sided. Now, if you do plan on using this for eating, you do have like some cup holder placements here. You can remove the mat, clean it up, easily wipes off. But with this table in particular, if you don't plan on using this portion here, which is usually used for like mahjong tiles, then I would say that this table probably isn't the best. But with this table in particular, it's designed to be kind of like a mahjong table just because you have this portion here, but you can use this for whichever you want. You can use it for cards, dice, dominoes. A lot of different multitude of games can be played on this table with the fixed plastic fixtures. So in addition to the cup holders, you just have this portion here, which just helps align things. Now, what I like about this table in particular though, is that it's all one piece. I mean, minus the playing mat though. So what I mean by that is, if I go ahead and center down like that, this easily folds up, okay? So you're not removing any pieces, it easily just folds up. So if I go ahead and tip it over, well, actually it's remove the mat first. Easily just folds up, so you simply just push each of the legs and it's all one piece. You can see how all 4 legs simply just fold down. So similar to this, just pull it up or push it down, and it just folds in within itself. So it's pretty easy as far as folding it up goes. Just make sure that you do press it down, and then with the mat, you can decide to use the carrying case or not. But with the carrying case, it just makes it so that the table itself is protected. So me personally, I will be using this for games, but I don't plan on always putting inside the carrying case just because I kind of find it a hassle. But if you want it protected, if you want it lasting longer, then for sure use a carrying case that's provided with it. And then with the mat, you can place the mat inside. So there you have it. You have a shoulder strap, you have a hand strap, but it just makes it easy to go ahead and keep everything on one place with the Queensell gaming or foldable table.